Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo tries to open a tightly sealed jar on the table. He twists, but it won't move. He grips the jar tighter and tries again with more effort, yet the lid refuses to move. A new word becomes important: tenacious. Tenacious means not giving up easily, even when something is difficult. Putting the jar down would be easier. Timo grips the jar firmly with both hands and steadies it against the table. He turns it slowly instead of rushing. After all his steady effort, the lid finally loosens and opens. Timo remembers that being tenacious means staying determined even when progress is slow, and he learns that steady effort can lead to success.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.